Alright, origami friends, let's talk about something that can totally level up your folding game. PTFE Bonefolders, or as you might know them, Teflon Bonefolders. If you've ever struggled with making sharp creases, or found that your bonefolder leaves marks on your beautiful paper, you're gonna want to hear this. First, what even is PTFE? PTFE stands for polytetrafluoroethylene. Yeah, it's a mouthful, but you probably know it by its brand name, Teflon. This is the same material that keeps your eggs from sticking to the frying pan. But why would you want that in a bonefolder? Let's get nerdy for a second. PTFE is super smooth and non-stick. That means when you use a Teflon bonefolder, it just glides over your paper. No static, no drag, no shiny burnish marks. Science shows that PTFE's ultra-low friction surface, literally one of the lowest on Earth, reduces heat buildup and pressure points that can damage the fibers of your paper. So, how did this weird material end up in the craft world? Here's a quick history lesson. PTFE was accidentally discovered in 1938 by a chemist named Roy Plunkett. It was used in everything from aerospace parts to medical devices before crafters realized, hey, this stuff is perfect for delicate paperwork. The first Teflon bonefolders started popping up in the early 2000s when bookbinders and origami artists wanted a tool that would never leave a mark. Let's talk advantages. Compared to traditional bonefolders, usually made from bone or plastic, PTFE bonefolders are kind of a dream. First, they're non-porous, so glue and ink won't stick. You can use them on dark or metallic papers, and they'll never scuff or leave residue. They're also flexible, with a slight give that makes folding thick or textured paper easier and safer for your hands. For origami, the benefits are huge. PTFE bonefolders help you make razor-sharp creases without crushing or tearing the fibers. This means your models hold their shape better and look cleaner. Plus, if you're working on complex designs or modular builds, you'll notice way less fatigue in your fingers. That's not just a craft hack. It's backed by research on ergonomic tools. And here's something cool. Recent studies show that PTFE tools produce less microfriction, which helps preserve the crispness and longevity of your folds. Your models will not only look better, but they'll last longer too. So, if you're serious about origami, or just want your folds to look extra sharp, PTFE bonefolders are honestly worth the investment. Once you try one, you might never go back. This episode was brought to you by Cartonius.com, your source for superb Mexican bonefolders. Upgrade your tools, upgrade your art.